अरे बोलो ना सर.
I'll miss you, my friend, and the sweet memories we have shared all together. Most importantly, in our daily hurdles, in our team meetings, I'll miss your vibrant presence, a smiley, you carry a great smile on your face. So, it's gonna be tough, not seeing you around in our team meetings. Good luck, stay connected, cheers.
Goodbye, Raju sir. Wishing you a great life ahead, and I hope that you get all the success in the world. Bye-bye.
Hey Ratish bhai, we are definitely at a loss that you are leaving the company and leaving us. But it has been a great pleasure working with you. Thoroughly enjoyed, loved all the interactions I had with you. You are true Libran, so Libran rocks, and you are a great guy, man. You are definitely going to be missed, and you are a great person and leader and fellow colleague. So all the best for your future endeavors. Keep rocking. I know you will.
Ratish, we are definitely going to miss you. Best of luck for future.
Hey Ratish, wishing you all the very best for your new venture. Hope you stay the happy, ferocious yourself that you are. And I had a lot of fun and great working with you. Great experience. So I hope all your future colleagues also continue to get the same feel. All the very best. Stay in touch. And do the wonder that you do. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello Ratish sir. Sir, we are going to miss you a lot. You are a great friend, a great leader, a great support, and it has been a pleasure working with you.
Wish you all the very best, Ratish. Good luck.
Hey, what's up, Raji? I know it's the last day with MX, but not with us, and everyone knows it here. Well, I wish you all the good luck and success for your future endeavors. Keep rising and shining. And, we're gonna miss the smiling face of TLS going forward. And stay in touch. You have been a great leader, a great friend, and a mentor and a brother to me. Of course, I've learned a lot from you and will cherish the same thing going forward. Again, stay in touch, enjoy, keep smiling. Adios.
Yo bro, Raju, तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ. Just kidding, bro. It was wonderful 4 years with you, and I'm really happy for your success. Wish you all the best.
Many congratulations for your new job, and it was an honor to work with you. Goodbye, enjoy.
Good luck, Ratish. Wishing you more success in your life. Cheers.
So finally it's a time to say goodbye to you, Ratish bro. You know what, I worked in several team leaders, but the way you guide me, the way you boost me, the way you told me that what capability I have, I never got anything like before. Thank you so much for your guidance, for your knowledge. To be really honest, I definitely going to miss you a lot, bro. आप जैसा टीम लीडर दोबारा मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
Surprise, Raju. Being a manager can be real very hard, and but working with a colleague like you, you always make it an easy one. So thanks for the good memories that we shared together. It's been a pleasure, buddy, and all the very best for your future endeavors. Take care. God bless, buddy.
Hey Raju, congratulations on making another job opportunity and saying goodbye to IMX. Hope you enjoyed your tenure in Blue Box. See you on the other side on Monday. All the best. Take care.